Alright, so for today's video, this video is sponsored by none other than my friend. Yeah, si Zahir Carpets. Yeah, thank you very much for sponsoring this video, bro. So this video kasi, this is a tournament that we joined here in Philippine Navy. It's the Anchor Cup. Tapos our caddies, ayan, si Wena and si Jong. Oh, nahiya na naman si Jong. Ayan, si Jong. So maglalaro kami, hindi kami ngayon partners. Kami ni Zahir ang partners. Z, where can they find you, brother? Yung mga business mo, mga carpets. Meron kang website or social media? Instagram. Carpets. Ayan, so just follow the link below. Is Zahir Carpets. Ayan, so thank you very much again and good luck sa atin, brother. Good luck, good luck. Ayan. Thank you. See you at the ferries. Traffic lang.
Kana.
Okay, strategy is laging mauuna si Zahir sa all the shots. So he's taking a 3-wood, we're taking my tee shot. Ako, whatever happens, I'll just hit a 7-iron. Tawid mo lang. Ay, safe mo lang. Safe mo lang. Okay. Okay lang. Okay. We are taking my second shot. Unfortunately, medyo nag-draw. Hopefully this tree is not in the way. Left with 90 yards to the flag. So aim a little left. Kasi pa left to right yan. Walang talbog to, Zia. Zahir using his pitching wedge. Okay lang. Go! Okay. Hindi nga abot. Buto hindi ko sinabi sa video na sa baba mo kukunin.
Tumakas pala, no?
Ay, may nakas ko.
Pareho tayo nandun.
Okay, we are taking Zahir's third shot. Nakast ko yung tira ko. So we're still left with 27 yards. Yeah, 27 yards. Tirang mga 20, 25. Little left to right. Okay na yan, Z. Good shot, partner.
Ay, dapat ito na lang.
Okay. Very unfortunate. We are putting pa for par. Ayaw pa. Uy, malakas lang. Let's go, na upag kita. No doubt. Alright, hole number 2. Currently, we are 1 over ni Zahir. Unfortunate bogey. Sayang yun sa kanya. Tumama sa pin, lumabas. Okay. Hole number 2 is playing 447 yards. Handicap 1. Playing with friends Brian and his friend from Davao. Okay lang yan.
Okay na.
Yehe, 1 over na kami. First hole.
Shoutout mo, anak.
Shoutout kay Asiena Liyong, saka kay Scarlett Gianna Balyehera. Ano ko pala? Yung anak ko Asiena Wayne Balyehera Liyong. Juniora.
Asama mo yan, Sarah.
Garay ko dyan.
Ganun din, feed, cut some more. Yeah, these are our flight mates, si Joseph, aka Joy, and si Brian. Layo pa nila. 200. Layo pala talaga kasi ng hole number 2. 200, almost 230 yards to the flag. Ganda naman, Bray. Big bounce. We are taking my tee shot. Lumayo talaga tong hole number 2. It's still 195 yards to the flag. I am hitting a 5 iron. Ganda, Z. Nag-lead lang sa right. Pero okay lang yan. Sobra. Ganda masyado yung tapa. For right. We are taking my second shot. Medyo open yung tira ko. Tapos si Zahir went long. We're left with 37 yards to the flag. Uphill. Galing ni Joy. Take na yun sa kanila. They're in for par. Kami up and down for par. Little right to left. One club daw sa right. Ganda, Z. Maganda yan. Maganda yun. Nice shot, Z. Nice. Okay, no more pressure.
Parang hindi handicap po nito,
nice, no? Nice one, Z. Dumaan. Agi? Saan mo pa yun sa capture ko kasi? Ano tayo? Teka, videoan mo muna.
Teka. Okay. Pitch ni sir from the outside. Halos. Okay.
Okay, that was a good up and down. At least par. We are still currently 1 over. Same with sila Brian and sila Joy. Hole number 3. Malaki pot money nito. Tsaka tournament. So it's playing 185 yards. I'm considering hitting either a 7 or a 6 iron. Maybe better kung 6 iron. Okay, so hole number 3 pala is also a fun hole. So hole in one price is 100,000 lang. Wala yung pot money. Additional. Oh, malaki-laki na. So nasa 400 na to, Wing. Sa'yo na tong 100. Akin yung 300. Pero yung cart, sa'yo yung kaliwang gulong. Okay, Jong yun.
Kaliwang gulong.
Kaliwang gulong. Tsaka na, pag nahulin man ulit. Ano to? Sais?
What a shot, baby. Go. Yeah!
Sumabi.
Lampas.
Shout out ya.
Dulo nung ano, mangga. Before. Ay, cut. Wait mo lang.
Nice one, Joy.
Ganda rin yata yan, ah.
Huwag kang dyan sa bunker, ha?
Big bounce.
Huwag dyan.
Okay, before ka.
Before ako? Good. Nice. Ilan yan? Atong na.
Brian and Joy just outside of the green. Siguro mga 25 yards to the flag. Lakas lang. Went over. Hey Joy, around 25 yards to the flag. Dikit na naman. Nice shot. Nice shot, Joy. We are taking my tee shot 19 yards to the flag. Ano to? Right to left? Left to right? Right to left. Maganda na yan. Lagpas lang. Ang bilis. Okay, 5 paces kami. We're taking my second shot. Isang bola sa kanan. May kabilisan Zia pagpababa. Tama? So parang tirang regular lang. Isang bola sa kanan. Nice spot. Z! Nice spot. Nice partner. Nice spot, Bray.
Nice.
Nice one, brother. Okay, hole number 4. What a clutch putt by my partner and sponsor, Zahir Carpets. Yeah. Okay, we're left with playing 324 yards. We are currently still 1 over. brother.
Bilis.
Nice shot.
Ganda. Beautiful. Okay, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with 113 yards to the flag. Contemplating if a 56 go for it sa pin or play short with a 60. Aim ka pa kanan, ano, Z. Yan, kasi right to left yung bali niyan. Ay na, ano lang, nabuksan lang. Okay lang, partner.
Ayan, iba. Hindi lang naglan sa kanan.
Okay, we both teams are putting for birdie. Malayo kami. 11 paces, right to left. Taking my second shot. First decent attempt for a birdie. Malakas, Z. Buti shoot. Buti shoot! Pangalawa na yun! Malakas lang. Okay.
Ito baka birdie eh. Uy, sakto pa pala yun, no?
Mahina lang.
Kala ko pang birdie na, pare.
Mukhang mahina eh, no? Mahina naman talaga.
Siyempre.
Okay, Brian and Joy for their first birdie of the round to go back to even par. Ay, kumabig. That's good. To go even par. Yun. Ay! Mahirap talaga yun, ano? Alright, so hole number 5. We are still currently 1 over, but I think sa computation, we are playing a 6 handicap. Hole number 5, playing 117 yards. It is a fun hole. Free accommodation vouchers daw. Ayan, Marriott in Indonesia. Si by Clay. Ano sabi mo, ano, Jong? Paano yung hole in one prize?
Paano naman?
Si Wena ang papadala natin sa Indonesia.
Punta lang nito eh.
Yung pabalik.
Pabalik. Wala na siya.
Roro, langoy. O, lalakad ka. Jeep. Mag-jeep ka naman. I-jeep mo na lang. Oh, jeep. Minimum. P2P.
Sa Malaysia, tapos tawid ka ng tawid.
Tawid.
Joy, yun ako.
Go ahead, pre.
Ay, right lang.
Okay lang, pre.
Okay lang.
Go!
Short, continue. Ayan.
Take right. Go. Bye.
Basta hindi na.
Okay, both teams are just outside. We are taking my shot, mga 11 paces, left to right, both teams for birdie. Sakto sana yung linya. Malakas pa rin.
Go.
Thank you. Ganda naman, no? Thank you.
Joy and Brian for par to stay 1 over. Uy!
Nice spot.
Lamig! Ang lamig ng putt. Good putt. That was a stress-free par for hole number 5. So we are still currently 1 over. Same with team Brian and Joy. Hole number 6, 343 yards to the flag. Ay, to the flag, to the green. Sasabit. Ayun, okay lang, fairway.
Okay lang. Uy, ang taas.
Okay lang, ganda yan. Okay lang, safe yan. Very playable. Oh, good break, good shot.
Gutom lang pala siya.
Okay, may muligan pa tayo.
Sir, gutom ka lang pala.
Oh, siomay lang.
Siomay lang katapat.
Lagi siya nandun.
Brian enjoy second shot. Around 130 yards to the flag. Wow! Nice shot! Grabe! Dikit na naman for birdie. Galing naman ni Brian. Nice shot. What a beautiful tee shot by Zahir. And ang ganda ng tira ni Brian. They're already putting for birdie. Diretso lang to, Jong. 55 yards to the flag. Pero tirang mga 40. Just right on the fringe. Okay lang, partner.
Okay lang yan. Ay, shot.
Bye.
Tama na.
Tara.
Laki ng ginulong. Parang nakamay. Okay, we are taking my second shot. Looks like it's... Kasi kung ganun kalakas kanina, it's either sumut or lalagpas. Tumigil di ba? Okay, right to left for birdie. Regular lang to, Jong. Hindi masyadong mabilis. Okay, for birdie, 8 paces. Yun na, sakto. Sakto! Ang hina, bumagal doon. Lakas naman. Masyado kong binigyan naman. Okay, Brian enjoy to go even par for their first birdie. Nyak! Hangin. Yun! Okay, birdie. Birdie. Good birdie, yes! Of course. I will. 5
seconds.
Ayos yun, nalaglag. Sakto naman kasi talaga. Pwede na. Okay, hole number 7. Still, we are currently 1 over. Galing si Joy and si Brian. Already even par. So, hole number 7 is playing 327 yards. Dog leg right. Tawid mo! Clear! Tumabit.
Behind.
Still okay.
Kung okay sa'yo, Bri, let's assess. I can do muligan para ma-save mo yung muligan mo.
Yeah. Kung kailangan nga ng muligan. Hindi pero okay naman.
This might not be a good decision, but bahala na kami. We are 77 yards. Ako open ako sa fairway, pero 160. Zahir is 70 yards to the flag. So we just chose his tee shot. He will punch shot. Ako, subok ko sa taas. Lakas lang. Linis ng kuha. Malakas lang. We are taking my second shot, 17. So may fringe lang, left to right, to go up and down for a par. Ang ganda, Z. Pasok na, binerdy nga. Nice shot, partner. Woo! Ay, sama na sipa. Malayo. Okay, hole number 8. We are still currently 1 over. Si Joy and si Brian are currently, sayang din na videoan, 1 under na sila. Fun hole for hole number 8. They're giving away XX10 irons set. It's playing 170 yards against the wind. So I might hit a 7 iron. Behind pa yun. Sobrang behind pa yun ah. Pero layo pa rin. Maganda pala pag itabi mo sa yung automatic uniform.
Agoy. Okay lang.
Okay, we are taking my tee shot. Medyo slightly open. We are 20 yards to the flag. Sakit ng likod ko. Pwedeng diretso, pwedeng right. Galing ng banda. Ganun din sa French din bumagsak.
Ako?
Ganun din, no?
Mabigat yata yung ito.
Yun. Ganun, no? Perfect! Pasok!
Grabe!
Tatlong birdie na! Nice shot, Joy. Okay, we have this par putt to go up and down to stay 1 over. 8 paces. Diretso bigay mo? O right to left? Okay, we're giving it right to left. Mahina. Go! Sakto yung mga linya. Okay na yan. Good bogey. Ito?
Bogey, Wonderland.
Okay, hole number 9. Very unfortunate. We are now 2 over. 511 yards. Ganda, Z. Okay. No more pressure. Nice shot, Z. Perfect.
Nice.
Ganda niyan, Luj.
Nice shot.
Okay, we are taking Zahir's tee shot. Ganda ng tee shot ni Zahir. We're left with 250 yards still to the flag. Sobrang tagal nung nasa harap. Yan. So ngayon, we are taking my second shot. Left with 100 yards to the flag. Slightly with the wind. Aim a little left. Front pin. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Yan, nice shot.
Far. Uy, sobra pa. With the wind masyado. Okay, both teams putting for birdie. Grabe yun. Sumobra sa akin. It was only 100 yards. Hit my 60. Carried mga more than 100 yards. Ganda naman! Ay, sayang! We have this birdie putt, 15 paces. Medyo mahirap. It's uphill, downhill. Diyan din ang, sa linya ng 15. Kung 15, tirang 12, hindi naman. Kahit 13. O regular lang. Parang regular na, 15. Mabilis na dun sa pababa eh. Malapit sa butas, mabilis na eh. Pero hindi aabot dun kasi paakyat dito.
So, regular na lang.
Oo, regular mo na lang. Ganda. Ganda yung pace. Nice spot. Buti lang, hindi na ako kinakabahan. Yan, ang ating registration. Finally, nakumpleto sila. Ayan.
Kulang, sir. Kulang.
Kumpleto kayong magaganda.
Okay.
Yung pinakamaganda, wala. Ayan, yung mababait na registration sa Navy. Ito yung pinakagwapo naman. Thank you, thank you. Start of the second 9. We're still currently 2 over. Hole number 10 is playing 150 yards against the wind. Fun hole. Sige lang, go. Kaliwa lang. Okay. Fun hole. Ang ganda. 130,000 pesos. Cash. 135. So may bunker lang yata sa kaliwa. Another 50,000. As these are the prices for the raffle. $150. No win.
That looks good. Wala. Patong yan. Wala. Wala. Patong. Pero patong yun.
Uy. Tsaka parang dun. We are taking my tee shot. Subukan kong bumawi dito sa ano. Subukan namin bumawi dito sa... Okay na yan, Bray? Left to right, 16 paces. Medyo... Wala, regular lang to. Okay, diretso lang pala. Hindi na kailangan mag left to right. 19 yards to the flag. Parang mahina. Wala. Kinakain talaga ng damo. Dinagdagan ko na. Hole number 11. What a terrible shot. 295. We are now 3 over. Sama. Bawi. Kanan. Safe yan. Yun, good kick.
Fade konti.
Okay yan?
Kick right.
Perfect yan. Ay! We are taking Zahir's tee shot. Left with 100 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Nice shot.
Okay, what a terrible second shot by myself, by yours truly. We're still left with 18 yards to the flag. Left to right. Medyo mabilis. Ganda yan. Ganda yan, Z. Pasok mo na! Birdie! Woo! Finally! Okay, nice shot, Z. Nice shot, Z. Ang ganda.
Ayos na, pwede na umuwi.
Oo. Okay, nabawasan na. Nice one, Z. Okay. Brian and Joy for birdie as well. Tsaka ang ganda ng linya talaga doon sa'yo. Wala na, give na talaga din. 2 under. Ay!
Mabalik talaga siya sa kanan, no?
Nice. Nice spot.
What a clutch. Chip by my partner and sponsor, Zahir. Ganda ng birdie niya. Ito, ewan ko lang kung maganda. Sige, ulitin mo. Okay, we are currently 2 over. Hole number 12, walang price. It's playing 143 yards, crosswind, right to left. Might hit a pitching wedge. Yung hangin din kasi din eh. Safe mo. Safe. Sunobrahan mo yung tubig.
Ganda yan. Nice.
Fight. Settle.
Diyan ka lang. Nice shot.
Hey, this is for, and birdie rin sila Brian and sila Joy. Nako, bilis. Lumampas pa ulit. Okay, we have this spot 7 paces left to right, giving it a little over a cup sa left. Uphill, so firm lang. Ayan, ito bigay ni Jong. Okay. Back to back! Ah, sayang. Hindi naman bumali. Pwede sa bola. Huh? Sayang, back to back sa mabawasan na rin. Okay. For their par. Nice. Right, hole 13, 489 yards. We are currently 2 over. Sayang yung birdie putt na yun, di pa namin nakuha. Okay, hopefully mabawi dito sa mga par 5. Fade, fade. Okay yan. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay yan, gettable yan. Ay, nakabig.
Okay.
Cut! Cut! Far! Sumabit.
Nice shot! Wow! Biyahe na! Para jeepney! You know? Grabe!
We are taking my tee shot. Play safe lang si Zahir.
Ay!
For left! Nakakabig na.
Safe daw.
Open lang. Okay lang, brother. Okay. Taking my second shot. 65 yards to the flag. Medyo uphill, mabagal. And against the wind. So tirang 55. Ay, sama ng sipa. Hurab. May tinamaan yun. Right to left. 7 paces for birdie. Just outside the white line. Kailangan ng firm. Regular, 7 lang na firm, ano na. Kung ilan yung bilang ko. Mahina pa rin nga, oh. Ah! Boom! Kala ko mahina eh. Sorry, mahina ang tiwala. Nice bird, partner. Good putt.
Nice par.
Never a doubt. Hey, what a clutch putt by Zahir. We are now back to 1 over. So hole number 14, 510 yards. Fun hole. This is longest drive and most accurate. Eh parang nasa yung linya ng most accurate nasa linya na. No? Wala, hindi mo naman. It's either magkoko award winner na lang kayo dyan.
Nasa linya na talaga. Si longest
Oh.
Nasurahan, no?
Ay, na-pull din.
Kabig.
Ayan, bumalik fairway.
Bumalik?
Ayan, cart path, oh. Tawid.
Oh,
Safe.
very good.
Okay lang yan. May angulo dun. May angulo dun. No need for muli, partner. Na-pull din. Ay, nag-cut! Pwede sana sa longest drive yan, oh. No chance sa longest drive. Ayun yung longest drive. Ayun, layo. That was easily a 300-yard drive siguro. Kami landed on the bunker, just doing some course management with the 7-iron. And hopefully sa fairway. Okay, kaya naman pala. Hindi ko na kailangan tumira nga eh. Nice shot, partner. Yeah, thank you.
Wala nang pressure.
Ganda ng out ni Zahir. We're left with 75 yards to the flag. Lumagpas ako dito kahapon. So tirang mga 60, 55 to 60. Right to left yan? With the wind. Doon ka naka-aim, Z. Doon ka naka-aim. Manang binagsak. Lang. 19 yards. What a terrible approach by myself. Ano ba yan? Diretso na, 19 yards. Medyo mabagal. Pag lumagpas sa butas, mabilis. Bale. Tama na. Hindi ka mapabago.
Hold!
Nice par.
Okay, hole number 15, 442 yards. We are still currently 1 over. Yan, maganda. Perfect.
Finally.
Beauty.
May narinig na akong palakpak doon, hindi pa lumalanding eh.
Oo, ganda. Beautiful. Balik. Okay, if ever 3-shot hole yan. Yan, maganda yan.
Nice.
Ganda ng cut. Yun! Ganun dapat kanina. Ayun na. Para. Pwede natin tuwan yan. Oo. Okay, good. We are still taking my tee shot. Left with 200 yards to the flag. Pero ang lakas na against the wind. Just play it short with a 4-iron siguro. Ay, nanggigil. Ganda. Ang feeling ko short to, eh.
Grabe yung panusog.
Takas ng hangin.
Oh, safe.
Uy.
Nice shot.
Gusto namin ni Z ang challenge. Gusto namin yung pa-punch out na lang namin dito kaysa yung ano, full shot. 60 to the flag. Left to right. Sige pa. Angat! Ba, pwede nga. Okay, nice shot, Z.
Pa kayo sa'yo eh. Okay. Parang pwede doon sa'yo, sir.
We have this spot for birdie. Left to right. Halos sa linya ng puti. Bigay mo, Jong. Lalaylay. Hindi, kailangan dyan medyo slightly firm. Pero hindi sobrang laylay. Kakainin mo ang break yan eh. Lakas, napitik. Laki ng bali nun. Laki siya dyan. Oo. Saan mo eh? Alright, hole number 16. That was a good birdie. We are now back to even par. Hole 16 is playing 108 yards pero against the wind. It's a fun hole. Ganda ng price. Golf cart. Sana. Do it! Ay, short! Tama na! Alak, hirap niya. Ganda. Okay lang, patong yan. Safe.
Hey.
Okay, good shot. Oh, wow. Layo lang. Okay. Napupul ko pa rin. Kahapon pa rin. Joy and Brian. Malakas. Balik. Baba. Oy. Brian. Putting, chipping for birdie. Stay, brother. We are taking Zahir's tee shot. For birdie. 14 paces. Sakto. to Z. Ah! Okay na yan, at least.
Ang laki naman.
Ang laki naman. Joy and Brian to go up and down for their par. Very fast green downhill. Ay! Alright, at least we are now even par still. Hole 17, ito na yung mahihirap na butas. Playing 170 yards with the wind. Might hit an 8 iron. Fun hole! 100,000 and so 230,000. Okay na, sa Trent. Ganda, Z! Maganda yan, Z! Ay, nakahangin pa yan. Hahanginin pa yan, Patong. Hole in one! Ah, wow! Nice shot, Z! Nice shot, partner! Nice shot! Hindi ko na kailangan tumira, eagle. Ay, birdie.
Sana ng ulam mamaya.
Oh, ganda, Z! Sabi ko na eh. Ang ganda ng lipad eh. Nice shot, Z! Ako na.
Tarwa!
Ayan, oh, ganda ng tira ni Z. Kala ko meron na siyang hole in one plus 100,000 from 3 strokes. Tapos unlimited carpets from Zahir Carpets. Pero sayang yun, ganda ng linya. Para natural birdie. Mahina. Ay, lagpas pa pala. Grabe ang bilis ah. Alam mo, parang ang hina nun, bro. Come on, Z. Natural bird. Natty bird. Natural birdie! Woo! What a bird! Nice one, Z. Sayong-sayo lahat yun. Natural. Nice one. Okay, 1 under. To go up and down for a par. Ush! Kanina pa yan. Ay, biglang... Okay, galing. Now we are currently 1 under. Galing, easy. Forced layup. We just need to par this. This is a difficult hole. Ganda, Z. Okay na yan. Go lang ng konti. Go lang ng konti. Dikit mo lang. Okay.
Nice shot.
Go. Very good tee shot by Zahir. Sakto-sakto right before the rough. Wala ka na, you can't ask for anything else. 214 yards to the flag. Hitting a 4 iron. Options. Ayun, tumama. Parang bumalik. Parang... Sayang, sa akin landed on the bunker. Buti na maganda yung second shot ni Zahir. 26 yards to the flag. Nipping area. Right to left, ano?
Mga palong ilan, 20?
Mga or less, mga 18, ganun, 17. Kala mo naman. Angat.
Patay ng bata. Shot.
Mabait ka. Parabol. Okay, this is for our par to finish 69 net.
Mga kalating bola.
Oh, yan, kalating bola. Firm to, Z. Mabagal to. Oh. Okay. This is for par. Come on. Wala akong pagpatin, Z.
Nice spot.
Woo! Nice one, partner. Oo, clutch. But by Z, natapos pa kami. We ended 69. Nice play yun. Wala. Nakabawi. Oo, actually. Parang ganun nga nangyari. Good round. Nice playing with you. Nice meeting you, Joy. Z, partner. Good round. Galing. Jongski. Good round, partner. Jong. Ay, long. Ate. Ate, thank you.
Nagkambyo lagi ito ba?
Nice shot.